Like a lot of other folks in the fuel cell industry, I want to save the world. Very early on, I don't know if I considered any outside of STEM being an option. My name is Alia Lubers. I am Chief Engineer here at Pajarito Powder. Regardless of if you believe in climate change or not, renewable energy and sustainable energy is going to be part of the future and our economy, and I want to make that difference. I find it to be a really exciting prospect that some of our materials could be in the future fuel cell vehicle. I think that's so cool. And something that recently has occurred is in legislation. By 2045, we will be 100% renewable, which I think is incredible. If women are able to achieve those top positions, it's just a matter of time that it's more equitable in terms of gender ratios. But also I think it's very important for women to mentor other women. That may be one of the best pathways for advancement. And I've been very fortunate to have several opportunities to mentor women. And it's a matter of passing down the hard things that you learn and the wisdom that comes along with experience, and just try to speed up that process and help them out a little bit. I know that I am good enough to sit at the table because I have confidence in both my education, my training, and my experience. To have it all, you need a lot of support, and that can come from communities. It can come from friends and families, but also I think it needs to come from employers to ultimately allow moms and also dads to be successful.